These are the top 10 fastest trains in the world, running on railway lines in various countries worldwide and achieving speeds exceeding 180 miles per hour. Number 10. JR500. The train in question is a Japanese train that went into production in 1995. Comprised of 8 carriages, it has the capacity to accommodate up to 600 passengers. There is also another variation of this train with a total of 16 cars, specifically designed to reach a remarkable speed of 198 miles per hour. Due to its expensive manufacturing process, only a limited number of fewer than 10 units have been produced, with a small number currently operating on Japan's rail lines. Number 9. TGV Duplex. A train manufactured in France in 1995 is a 2-story train. With a length of 656 feet, it consists of 10 wagons designed to accommodate passengers. Operating at a speed of 198 miles per hour, over 60 units of this train have been produced. Presently, it operates on various railway lines, transporting travelers from Paris to Luxembourg or Munich. Number 8. Shinkansen Hayabusa E5. This is a Japanese train that was produced in 2011. It is capable of reaching a speed of 198 miles per hour, and its streamlined design helps reduce vibrations and noise. The train spans a length of 820 feet and consists of 10 carriages, accommodating a total of 731 passengers. More than 50 units of this train type have been manufactured and are currently in service on various railway lines in Japan, operating in cities like Tokyo. Number 7. S103. Rheinfallzug. The distributed traction train, which was produced in Germany in 2006, is an impressive piece of engineering. Spanning a length of 656 feet, this train consists of 8 wagons capable of accommodating up to 404 passengers. One of its remarkable features is its ability to achieve a remarkable speed of 217 miles per hour. To ensure a comfortable journey, the train is equipped with various amenities such as video screens and internet connectivity. Presently, this train operates across multiple railway lines in Spain. Its exceptional speed allows it to efficiently transport passengers from Madrid to Barcelona in a mere 2.5 hours. Number 6. CR400AF. Red Dolphin, a Chinese train, was introduced in 2016. The train, measuring 685 feet, consists of 8 carriages accommodating up to 550 passengers. Initially designed for higher speeds, its standard velocity is 217 miles per hour. Presently, this remarkable train operates on the primary rail routes in China, allowing commuters to travel from Beijing to Shanghai. Number 5. AGV 575. This text is about a distributed traction train that was manufactured by a French company in 2008. The train's aerodynamic design helps to reduce noise and vibrations during operation. It is specifically designed to reach a maximum speed of 224 miles per hour. The train has the capacity to carry up to 14 wagons, accommodating a total of 650 passengers. Currently, it operates on various railway lines in Italy with a limited speed of 186 miles per hour. Number 4. Frecciarossa 1000. This is an Italian train of the new generation which was manufactured in 2012. With a total of 8 carriages, it has the capacity to transport 450 passengers. Measuring 656 feet and weighing 500 tons, it is designed to reach a top speed of 248 miles per hour. Currently, over 50 units of this train have been manufactured and are operating on various railway lines in Italy. Number 3. HEMU 430X, the distributed traction train, which was produced in South Korea in 2011, is a transportation system with an impressive length of 630 feet. Consisting of 6 wagons, it is capable of accommodating a significant number of 450 passengers. The primary objective behind its creation was to minimize the commuting duration between two cities. Operating at an impressive speed of 251 miles per hour, it is presently operative on the railway tracks of South Korea, specifically running from Seoul to Busan in a remarkable time frame of just 90 minutes. Number 2. Transrapid. This is a magnetic levitation train that has been manufactured in Germany. It initially operated in China in 2002, demonstrating that it was significantly faster and quieter than other trains of its time. Currently, it operates on an 18-mile railway line connecting Shanghai Airport and the city of Pudong. Covering the entire distance in just 8 minutes, it achieves a maximum speed of 267 miles per hour. Number 1. Shinkansen LO. Made in Japan, this train is a magnetic levitation train. Its purpose is to operate on the Tokyo railway lines with a remarkable speed surpassing 310 miles per hour. Through the implementation of a magnetic system, the train is capable of levitating approximately 4 inches above the tracks, effectively eliminating any friction. Notably, in 2015, this remarkable train achieved a remarkable speed of 374 miles per hour on the Yamanashi test track, securing its position as the fastest train globally and holding the world record to this day.